Hey, Bogdan Copil, the EdTech coach here with 3 simple troubleshooting tips and tricks for Google Classroom if you're a student and things don't work out as you were expecting them to work. So first of all, let's say you open Google Classroom and instead of you finding out your classes or the ones that you were supposed to be enrolled in, you either find a blank classroom or worse, you can find other classes that you should not have there, which might belong to your sibling or somebody else from your family or somebody that uses the same computer that you do. What do you need to do in this case? Click here on the very top where you will see your Google account and make sure that you're on the right account. So actually this is not my account. My student account would be Harry Potter. So what I do here is I just change to Harry Potter. This would actually open Classroom from my student account. This would give me access to my actual classroom, to my actual materials, and this is one easy way to solve this. This is the first problem that you might encounter. The second one, let's say that, okay, I am in the right account. And so just so you see, I am in my Harry Potter account and I go to classwork and I'm trying to open an assignment. And when I click on the assignment, in this case, it will work. Why? Because I am on the right account. But in some cases, rather than Classroom opening my assignment, I will get this error message saying, hey, Google Docs or Google Slides or whatever other Google app your teacher was using for the assignment is asking you to actually ask permission from your teacher. Now, what's the problem here? Don't panic. Double check what email you're signed in with. It's the same issue like before. So you will always see that you're signed in as this email here. Double check that and make sure that it's your student account. In this case, it's not. My student account should be Harry Potter at edtech.coach. That's not the one, and that's why I cannot access the document that my teacher gave me because obviously I'm on a different account. What can I do to solve this? Do not request access. I can go to switch accounts, and from here I can choose once again which account I want to use. I was on the Bogdan Learns. I want to use Harry Potter. I click on continue. This will solve the problem for me. I will now be able to open my assignment. I can work on it and then submit it to my teacher. Now, keep in mind, these first two problems can actually be easily avoided if you actually properly sign into Chrome rather than having more than one account. So here, basically, what I'm saying is you should have only one account, and I've made a whole video showing you how to actually do that. Check it out. I'll put it in the links below. Now, the third problem you might have as a student in Classroom is, let's say you have the assignment, Harry Potter, let's use the same example, right? And you turn it in. Well, you need to understand that once you've turned in your assignment, you cannot make edits to it. So now if, for example, I want to open the assignment and make edits to my document, I will not be able to do that. So whatever I want, I cannot make changes. I cannot type anything. Why? Because I am not the owner now of the assignment and I cannot work on it. You will also see the request edit access button here. Why? Because once again, I don't have editing rights. Do not request edit access for your assignment. As long as you're on the right account and you know that this is your assignment, what you do instead is you go to Classroom and you just unsubmit your work. So by doing that, basically Classroom takes your document back. It's now yours again, and now you will have edit rights. So click on it. You will see that now you can actually open the document and I can now edit the document. So first problem, second problem, you can easily solve them if you make sure that you're on the right account. For the third problem, make sure that your work is not turned in, and if it is turned in, do not request edit access from the document, rather go to Classroom and unsubmit your work. This should solve the issue for you. So this is it, 3 quick troubleshooting tips and tricks for Google Classroom. Hope it was useful. If you have any questions regarding using Classroom on a day-to-day basis, leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help out. Until the next time, Bogdan Copil, the EdTech coach, wishing you an awesome day wherever you are in the world, and see you soon.